time for the second one. Ooh. That's actually like the fourth video that we made.
Oh, God.
How about I would fall asleep and then the video was still going?
That would probably happen.
Then we record it and we're like snoring.
We should totally do that. We'll leave my lamp on so the world can see.
If you wake up before me,
What?
If you wake up before me, you can hit me with the pillow.
I'll smack Cammy probably.
Get up!
Get up and make me food. But it's your house. No. No. Are we both gonna sleep on the floor? Or am I gonna sleep on the bed? Or are you gonna sleep on the bed? I'm gonna sleep on the bed.
I see. Leave me alone.
My paranormal activity happening here.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel the love.
What did you want to pinch me?
You should probably do that.
It should be leggings and shorts.
Oh. Well, okay. You're gonna make it.